ISTQB Foundation Level Question 501. Retirement of software or a system would trigger which type of testing? A. Load testing. B. Portability testing. C. Maintenance testing. D. Maintainability testing. Take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to don't miss new ISTQB questions and answers that will help you guaranteed enhancing your skills. Join us on this learning journey. If you find value in that I do and my videos help you, then you have the option to donate through the links in the video description to I can release new videos on ISTQB questions on a regular basis. Correct answer is C, according to ISTQB Syllabus. Retirement of software triggers maintenance testing to ensure proper data migration, moving data to a new system, data archiving, storing all data for compliance, restore and retrieval testing, ensuring all data can be accessed if needed. Retirement testing is a part of maintenance testing when a system is decommissioned. All the rest of the answers are wrong. Answer A is not correct, because load testing checks how a system performs under high user load or traffic. It is not related to software or system retirement. Answer B is not correct, because portability testing evaluates how easily software can move to different environments, e.g. different operational system, hardware, cloud. While migration testing, a type of maintenance testing, is done when moving to a new platform, portability testing itself is not triggered by retirement. Answer D is not correct, because maintainability testing checks how easy it is to modify, debug, or enhance a system. It is performed during active system development, not during retirement. My recommendation: please remember triggers of maintenance testing to pass STFL exam. Explanation. Finally, let's look at the section 2.3 maintenance testing in the ISTQB syllabus, where we can see that the triggers for maintenance and maintenance testing can be classified as follows. Retirement, such as when an application reaches the end of its life. When a system is retired, this can require testing of data archiving if long data retention periods are required. Testing of restore and retrieval procedures after archiving may also be needed in the event that certain data is required during the archiving period. This is fully consistent with the correct answer C. I sincerely believe that you are on the right way and won't miss such a unique opportunity to prepare for ISTQB Foundation level exam very thoroughly according to my YouTube channel for absolutely free. Don't stop, never give up,